has a choice. And here we go, full set to the small one. There we go. Hey, your blinker's on. Ford Focus on its way across now. Somebody's going to need to put an insurance claim in about that back bumper. Smaller, big, he's going big! Oh! I think that thing can go again. Here we go. There we go, nice one from the Focus. There he comes from the Duck Creek Caravan. Let's see if he does what Ben just told me he's gonna do. He's gonna roll it! He's gonna roll it! Oh, that thing's on two wheels! Roll it now. Here we go. Eyesight start. Focus gonna go for it again. He's gonna roll this time. Oh, he doesn't get it! He just can't put that thing. He didn't blow the left front tire out. This one's gonna be spectacular. Here we go. Hudson Speedway! Auto racing and being around auto racing. Have you ever quite seen something as spectacular as the dumb stuff we do here at Hudson? Alright, so you can flip a Ford Focus over twice and it'll still start and run. See what Robert does. Small or big. He going big all the way, Robert! Holy crap, digger! It still runs. Robert going over it backwards. I don't want over it backwards. The J turned and now one. Oh, here goes the F-150. Full send! Oh! There's nothing wrong in that right front suspension. We'll keep going until they can't keep going anymore. They're sideways! We're still going to get another bit of momentum here. Get it spun around. try it again. Third tries the charm to flip it over.